Minister Narendra Modi is set to visit western state of Mumbai on Saturday to inaugurate infrastructure projects worth over 29,000 crore rupees, including the new platforms at Lokmanya Tilak Terminus and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus Station, and crucial road, railway and port sector ventures. Prime Minister will also lay the foundation stone for the Thane-Borivali tunnel project worth 16,600 crore rupees. During his visit, Prime Minister will also inaugurate several key infrastructure projects. All right, Shyama Mishra, DD India's correspondent, joins us from Mumbai. Shyama, good morning. We've just given a broad outline of Prime Minister's programs and inaugurations that will happen in Mumbai today. You spell out more details. How far will it be a boost to infrastructure and how far will it make lives easier for Mumbaikars?
Or if anybody has traveled to Mumbai, they will know how easy it has become to travel from one point to the other. For example, from Worli to the South Mumbai. And this is all because of the infrastructural developments that has taken place in the last recent years. This is now an added, we could say a chapter to this book where Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be coming here in Mumbai and we'll be laying foundation stone of various important projects. And one of these important projects is the Thane-Borivali tunnel link road, which would be an underpass. It will be a tunnel road which would be going under the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and it will save. It will be the distance would be of 11 kilometers, and it will save 12 kilometers in distance and 1 hour in duration. So you can understand how much fuel, how much time, how much cost the entire infrastructure when it's ready will save. Apart from that, we are also getting to know that the Goregaon link road would also be the foundation stone of that would also be laid down, the GMLR, and this will also cut down travel time by a lot of kilometers and by a lot of minutes. This will be a 6.5 kilometer long way, and a foundation stone would be laid of that as well. Apart from that, Prime Minister would be also dedicating the platforms which is ready at 10 and 11 platform at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus and also at Lokmanya Tilak Terminus. Now we can understand once these the platforms that he is going to be dedicating, this is an elongated platform which were already there, and now a larger a more number of number of coach trains can park there, and more number of passengers can board on these trains. So time would be saved over here as well. Apart from that, he'll be also launching the Chief Minister Yuva Prashikshan Kendra, which would be like an internship program, and it will give an hands-on experience to the youth of the state. And since we understand that the unemployment opportunity, the unemployment issue rather has been raised a lot of times by the opposition. So this will cater to this particular issue where the youth of the state, they can come and have a hands-on experience. And once you have this certificate that you have completed your internship from this particular scheme, there'll be a lot of institutions, organizations that would be hiring you. All these would be done at NESCO, which is in Goregaon, and this will be around 5:30. Once this is done, he will be complex area where he'll be inaugurating the new tower of the Indian Newspaper Society. So this the new tower of the Indian Newspaper Society will cater to the growing needs of the newspaper societies. So overall, a lot of aspect has been touched by Prime Minister in this visit.
All right, Shyama, we leave it here. We'll come back to you again during the day, but thanks as of now for